A very good morning to Honorable Secretary Ma'am, respected Director Ma'am, lovable Principal Ma'am and all our dominant teachers. This is Shweta Singh Rathore, the school captain of Dr. Viray Saru Education Center, Farrukhabad. Welcome you all to witness our grand online Teachers Day program. When we started in school, this day seemed so far. And now this is here and we can't believe that these days have passed so fast. But through your encouragement and guidance, we feel we are ready to face tomorrow's challenges. Teachers play an important role in shaping and guiding, especially the teachers like you all. Thank you for loving us so much. Wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. So, without wasting much of the time, here we go.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
चांदनी चांद से मिलती है तो रोशन जमाल करती है, खुशियों से खुशियां मिले तो ख्वाहिशें कमाल करती हैं। ये विद्वता के नूर की रौनकें महफिल है मेरे मित्रों, ये महफिल आप सभी का इस्तकबाल करती है। Respected teachers and my dear friends, on this cheerful morning, today we are here to express our heartfelt gratitude to all our teachers who have given a new meaning to our lives. Dear friends, no one will deny this fact that every great achievement was perhaps impossible without the supporting hands of our teachers. Teachers persistently work to mold the future of their children and to groom them for their betterments. So, to acknowledge the efforts made by our teachers, today we have brought a rainbow of programs to express our heartfelt gratitude for them. Let's start our first dance performance by Kartikeya Singh.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री।
Kartikeya, with your performance, you have really taken away our hearts. जीने की जो शिक्षा देता कर देता कल्याण, शिक्षक तो होते ही हैं तुल्य सम भगवान। Our teachers are the epitome of knowledge and ethics. They are caring and loving. So please welcome Aishwarya Sharma with his soulful voice.
देखो पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले करवट बदल कर नाजुक से मोती हंसने फिसल कर खो न जाए तारे जमीन पर पल बदलते हो न जाए तारे जमीन पर। जैसे आंखों में डिबिया में हिंदिया और हिंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई। जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की प्यारी जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा की लहर है ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है खुशियों की नहर हो न जाए तारे।
What a melodious voice! The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here today to build this event. So, here comes the most endearing gift for our teachers when Uma Singh and Soumya Katiyar turns up to speak up for them.
सरल क्या है गलत क्या है ये पाठ पढ़ाते हैं आप। झूठ क्या है सच क्या है ये बात समझाते हैं आप। जब सोचता नहीं कुछ भी तो राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप। एक स्टूडेंट के जीवन में टीचर एक ऐसा महत्वपूर्ण इंसान है जो अपने धैर्य प्यार देखभाल और ज्ञान से उसके पूरे जीवन को सुंदर और मजबूत आकार देता है। वैसे ही आप इस कठिन समय में मेहनत करके हमें अपना पूरा बेस्ट दे रहे हैं ताकि हमें कहीं भी किसी भी तरह से पढ़ने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो। इस दुनिया में टीचर के पेशे को एक अच्छे और आदर्श पेशे के रूप में माना जाता है क्योंकि आप सब हम सबके जीवन को बनाने में निस्वार्थ भाव से अपनी सेवा देते हैं। अगर आज मैं यहाँ खड़ी होकर आप तक अपने मन की बात पहुंचा पा रही हूँ तो उसमें भी आप सभी का हाथ है। शायद जैसे आपने मुझ जैसी सहमी बच्ची में आत्मविश्वास डाल दिया तो आपने न जाने कितने बच्चों के सपने साकार करवाए। आप सब जो करते हैं उसकी तुलना हम किसी दूसरे कार्य से नहीं कर सकते। हमें जब भी आपकी जरूरत रही है आप हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे। आपका डांट और ढेर सारा प्यार हम कभी नहीं भूल सकते और वही हम इस समय घर पर बैठकर सबसे ज्यादा मिस करते हैं। भगवान से बस यही प्रार्थना है कि हम जल्द से जल्द आप सबके साथ वो अच्छे पल बिता सकें। कुछ पंक्तियां हैं। खींचती थी आड़ी टेढ़ी लकीरें आपने मुझे कलम चलाना सिखाया। खींचती थी आड़ी टेढ़ी लकीरें आपने मुझे कलम चलाना सिखाया। ज्ञान का दीप जला मन में मेरे अज्ञान के तमस को मिटाया। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल। थैंक यू।
Teachers. They make us grow, they make us shine. They are the only one who trusted us and pushes us to achieve all that we desire. We were like empty blank pages in which they have written a million stories. Some of them and a few of us, they have created what we are. For them it never mattered if we were a slow learner. They were always on our side, holding our hands and making us realize not to give up the things, even if they make us disguise. At last, a very happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. Thank you.
You both did a marvelous job. Alexander the Great once said that I am indebted to my father for living, but I am indebted to my teacher for living well. जी हाँ, शिक्षक दो प्रकार के होते हैं। एक वे जो आपको इतना भयभीत कर देते हैं कि आप हिल भी ना सकें, और दूसरे वे जो आपको पीछे से हल्का सा थपथपा देते हैं कि आप आसमां छू लें।
तो चलिए इन्हीं यादों को थोड़ा ताज़ा करते हुए आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करते हैं एक छोटा सा यादों का कारवां।
The first step, the early days. We were scared, but it eventually sorted because you people cared. Those rhymes, those recitations, the pool parties and colorful celebrations. You made our childhood a happy memory for us in our hearts to carry.
don't know how it has all become so cherishable as for now, but the essay on cow feels just wow. Amazingly, the teachers remember us all, and we see how they never ever let us fall.
They solved our little fights and they made us hug tight. They made us participate, sing, dance, and recitate. Curiosity was on its side, and they did their job more than right.
Now was a time of changes, our emotions on all different ranges. They held our hand and became a friend. Being strict was a necessity, cause ours was a case of complexity. Life was changing its course, but they served us with the best possible recipe.
We learned to keep secrets, but their guidance always kept us away from cigarettes. Eating lunch in class was fun, but the sight of teachers made us run.
Now was the time for a milestone, but we weren't study prone. They scolded, supported, and made it easier. Then we got our percentage all cheesier.
We were relieved. We got to study subjects we believed. But it wasn't easy to choose, and now fun was no excuse. There was a time to bid farewell to our seniors, and we realized how the teachers would feel every year. The journey is about to end, and there's this constant fear of leaving behind us teachers so dear. Again, it's sports, but there's a bigger crossroad of choosing what to give 100% at and a competition like race of rats. The teachers still stand by us, guide, mentor, and befriend us. This is just a small gift. We still need your love.
A dance teacher helps their students find the song in their heart, the beat in their feet, and a passion for life. We are really thankful to Chaya ma'am for all the joy we experienced with her. The fun we had with PT teachers. We used to play those amazing games like Kho-Kho, cricket, leg cricket, etc. And that awesome shot made by our PT sir always left us amazed. And we are going to miss that shot too. The fun we experienced in the library, those interesting stories read by us, and then those silly questions we used to ask to Zeba ma'am, and then we would get a cute smile as a reply. Thank you, ma'am.
There is a music in every child. The teacher's job is to find it and nurture it. And this was wonderfully done by our respected Kumar sir.
The creativity shown by craft and art teachers was just wonderful. Their wonderful discoveries always amazed us. The kindness shown by office teachers even when we trouble them a lot. Sir, can we get the teachers list? Sir, can we get the class list? Sir this, ma'am that. And still, a sweet reply by Vineet sir. Beta don't worry, I'll give you everything, just have patience. Will always be missed by us.
Schools need to provide security for children, and security means showing them that they have worth. and we would like to thank our security sir for making our school worth admiring.
Mother, father, friend, guide. The one who played all these roles in the sea of students. The one who saw unique possibilities in everyone. The one who taught you that asking the right questions is just as important as having the right answers. The one who nurtured your tomorrow, sacrificing his today. The one who made you capable of taking on the challenges of life. The one who scolded you but concealed a well of love underneath. The one who made you what you are. Your teachers. Thank you so much, all the respected teachers, for your kindness.
Last but not the least, our Honorable Principal Ma'am. Her journey with us started as a subject teacher, then class teacher, headmistress ma'am, and finally as a tenacious principal. She guided us like a teacher, scolded us like a mother, and loved us like her own children.
Words fell short if we start describing her. She is a guideline for our lifeline. Yes, she is also a magician of teaching, magician of moral values, magician of ethics. What else should we say about our ma'am? She is a great imprint of great intellectuals.
You are the one who deserves the grandest of celebration. We celebrate you not because it's courteous, but because we sincerely wish to see you smile on your special day. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Well done, guys. जिंदगी की राह भी यूँ आसान नहीं होती, ना होता साथ मेरे ये कारवां, मेरी इस कदर ये पहचान ना होती। मेरा सब कुछ है मेरी गुरु बदौलत, यदि मेरे गुरु ना होते तो मेरी इस कदर ये पहचान ना होती, मेरी इस कदर ये पहचान ना होती। Now, here presenting Deepak Singh with his soulful voice.
इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया, इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया, इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया, इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया। आओ जवाने में यारानू मनावा, आओ जवाने में यारानू मनावा। इतना सोना, इतना सोना, इतना सोना, इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया, इतना सोना, इतना सोना, इतना सोना, इतना सोना।
Deepak, your performance has really made our hearts so pure.
Now, here presenting Urvi Mishra with a soothing dance performance.
तू ही मेरी है सारी ज़मीं, चाहे कहीं से चलूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं। तेरे सिवा मैं जाऊं कहाँ, कोई भी राह चुनूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं। तुम मिले तो लम्हे थम गए, तुम मिले तो सारे गम गए, तुम मिले तो मुस्कुराना आ गया। तुम मिले तो जादू छा गया, तुम मिले तो जीना आ गया, तुम मिले तो मैंने पाया है खुदा। हमसे था रोके अरे हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी किसकी मर्जी जो थे अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा
You really rocked, Urvi. Now, moving forward towards our next performance, so here's a presentation from Priyanshu Maheshwari and our team, and it's a heart-throbbing tribute to our teachers.
I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting stars. Sometimes everybody hurts someday, but everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories.
दुनिया में दो किस्म के लोग होते हैं, जिंदा और मुर्दा, और फिर होते हैं तीसरे, घायल।
Great, what a terrific performance. Now, hold your breath for the next performance. Yes, Rakshita Mehrotra and Vasudev Agarwal are going to draw the strings of our hearts and add their soothing voice to our soul.
Now get ready for something special and magnanimous because here's Shweta Singh Rathore and Rakshita Mehrotra with their tribute dance.
धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें एक पल को तू नजर झुका झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे रख हिम्मत बस चल दे तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के हैं निशान तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा 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 तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा
Although you are teachers by profession, but for us, you are more than a god. जीवन के हम अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप बंद हो जाते हैं जब सारे दरवाजे नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप
खुद पे डाल तू नजर हालातों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे हाथ की लकीर को मोड़ता मरोड़ता है हौसला रे तो खुद तेरे ख्वाबों के रंग में तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे कि चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में हो शाम भी तो क्या जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा
What a marvelous performance! गुमनामी के अंधेरे में थी पहचान बना दिया दुनिया के गम से मुझे अनजान बना दिया उनकी ऐसी कृपा हुई गुरु ने मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया इसी प्रकार शिक्षकों की महत्वता को हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत करने आ रही हैं वर्षा जलोटा
Thank you, teachers. Oh, did I start it wrong? No, I didn't. Thank you is the title for this video. And thank you, teachers is a more suitable one. Why a thank you note? I don't think we even need to explain this. Because we are all so thankful to you people. We are so thankful, we are so grateful. And not just to the class batch of teachers. We are thankful to all our teachers. Starting from the very early, the pre-primary, the JKG KGs, the teachers who actually proved it. There's just a whole difference between mom and ma'am. The primary teachers who kind of forced us to be a part of everything, being a part of the change, being apart from the couch. Yes. To the teachers in our 6th, 7th and 8th who proved us that nothing is difficult if just we think that we are capable of doing it all. Thank you to the teachers of 9th and 10th who dealt with the sudden change in the studies, in the course, in the atmosphere and in us because we were completely different human beings when we came in class 9th and then the 10th, that was board, our first board, the first step on the ladder kind of thing. And they kept us, and they kept their faith in us so intact that we never ever felt that we need outer support. We need to, have some mentors in our life. They were all for it. They were the guides, they were the mentors, they were the teachers. They were there for us. And they truly were. The teachers in our 11th, when we are so free, we have just given a board and we need to enjoy this year. And they were, no, we have to work as well. So it is all so nice. It's been all so nice. The teachers have been so grateful. Thank you, teachers. Thank you so much. And then came our dream class, our last class, our final class, the last class, the 12th. Nostalgia hits you hard every moment. But then again, it was you who stood. It was you who were ready to put down the efforts. And maybe it's a duty of a teacher to do that, but it wasn't that fair a duty. It was you people who cared and you wanted to do this as a part of your responsibility. Thank you, teachers, for giving me the confidence to speak all this non-scripted, and I'm very true on this. I didn't script it. When the camera was there, I felt this is one chance where you can give your message, where you can tell the teachers that they have been so damn nice. Thank you, teachers. Thank you so very much.
Varsha, your confidence and encouragement has really made our day. So here's a presentation of different students saying wishes on the Teachers' Day, much more clubbed into a presentation.
Hello everyone. Today on 5th of September, we are honoring the ones who have not only taught us in classroom but have also elevated and defined our characters. A teacher is the heart of an educational system, and on this day I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers who have made me feel empowered and special. A student's day might end with the class, but the teachers sacrifice their personal lives and put selfless effort to help us become who we are. If I had to put anyone on a pedestal, I would put my teachers because they are my unsung warriors. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Finally, the day has come to actually thank all my loving teachers. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I feel really privileged to grow under the guidance of such supportive, understanding, and dedicated teachers who have always supported me in each and every way, who stood up with me and who stood up for me in each and every possible way. Thank you all for showering your love, your blessings on me. And I cannot forget a single teacher of Dr. VSEC who has been a part of mine in the journey of VSEC. And my journey with the school is quite different. I started my journey in 2006 with Taneja ma'am as my class teacher, and my journey is still continuing with her only. I cannot forget any of the program which I gave to the teachers to just see a smile on their faces. So I still feel that if I get one chance also, I will for sure perform for you all. At last, I would like to say Happy Teachers' Day. Keep smiling, keep loving me in the same way. You all are very special for me. Thank you.
You know, celebrating Teachers' Day at school is one of my finest memories from school days. Be it preparing to surprise our teachers with all the decorations, along with elaborated plays, speeches, music shows, and obviously the dance performances, my favorite part. I feel honored that my concerned juniors contacted and offered me this a very, very, very good chance of conveying my heartiest wishes to all the teachers of VSEC, teachers from all the departments, speech, curricular, extracurricular. I miss you all. Very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. You all were not only limited to teaching but guided us in every aspect of life. I know that today also, even if I contact any of my teachers from school, they'll guide me correct, and for sure, I feel blessed to be their student. Thank you so much.
आज जो मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, ये मेरी ट्रू फीलिंग्स है आप लोगों के लिए, जो मैं आज तक कभी आपको एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाया। माना कि मैं सबसे ज़्यादा शैतान था स्कूल में, मैं क्या मेरे सभी दोस्त, हमारी शैतानियों के चर्चे इतने ज़्यादा फेमस थे कि हमारे अर्ली स्टेजेस में हमें कोई हमारे नाम से जानते ही नहीं था, हमारी शैतानियों से जानता था। बोलते थे कि हाँ ये तो वही लड़का है जिसने ये क्या बोलते हैं पूल में मिट्टी भर दी थी खूब सारी। अरे नहीं, इसने तो बीकर भी तोड़ दिया था केमिस्ट्री लैब में। हमें ऐसे याद रखा जाता था। हम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्लास के बाहर स्कूल के चक्कर लगा रहे हैं, घुटनों के बल बैठे हुए हैं, ये तो हमारा रोज़ का काम था। कोई बड़ी बात नहीं थी हमारे लिए, हमें पता था ये करना ही करना है। ठीक है, मार पड़ रही है, रिवीजन वर्क नहीं किया उसके लिए डांट पड़ रही है, नोटबुक नहीं लाए, ये बहाने कि जब हमने काम नहीं किया तो हम नोटबुक नहीं लेके आए। ये तो हमारे लिए बहुत कॉमन था। लेकिन कभी आपको ये नहीं बता पाया कि सबसे ज़्यादा इज्जत भी आपकी हम ही लोग करते हैं। आप हमसे बहुत बड़े, आप हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा समझदार हैं, आपको पता होगा कि चापलूसी और इज़्ज़त में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क होता है। तो बस यही कहना चाहते हैं कि इज़्ज़त हम सबसे ज़्यादा हम ही करते हैं। आई मिस सिटिंग ऑन दोज चेयर्स, आई मिस पनिशमेंट्स, और शैतानी करना भी मिस करता हूँ, और आप लोगों को तो बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करता हूँ। लव यू टीचर्स एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल द टीचर्स।
Hi everyone. First of all, वीरेंद्र स्वरूप के सारे टीचर्स को अ वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैं सोचती थी कि टीचर्स इतने स्ट्रिक्ट क्यों होते हैं, ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो सकता कि ये हमारे साथ फ्रेंड की तरह रहें और हमको इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट ना ट्रीट करें। ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो सकता कि हम अपने फ्रेंड के साथ बैठें और थोड़ा बहुत बातें भी कर लें और थोड़ी बहुत इतनी डांट ना पड़े हमें। इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट था हमारा स्कूल और इतना ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन सिखाया जाता था कि कभी कभी लगता था कि अरे इतना ज़्यादा क्यों। लेकिन फिर जब धीरे धीरे जब मैं बड़ी हुई और झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, जब मैं बाहर निकली, जब मेरा 12th हो गया, उसके बाद कहीं जाके मुझे ऐसे रियलाइज़ हुआ उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस, कि कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था वो, कि अगर उस एक फेज़ में मैं डिसिप्लिन नहीं सीखती तो शायद ज़िंदगी में कभी डिसिप्लिन नहीं सीख सकती। जैसे कि कहते हैं ना कि आप कुछ भी एक दिन में नहीं सीख सकते, वैसे भी डिसिप्लिन भी आप खुद से कभी नहीं सीख सकते। शायद एक आपको जब तक आपको अपनी लाइफ में एक पेरेंटल गाइडेंस नहीं मिलती है कि आपको ये ऐसे करना है, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस ऐसे फॉलो करने हैं, तब तक आप खुद से अपने आप वो चीज़ नहीं कर सकते। तो वीरेंद्र स्वरूप वॉज लाइक दैट पेरेंटल गाइडेंस टू मी, जो कि इतना स्ट्रिक्ट था और मुझे इतना कुछ सिखा गया कि दैट पार्ट विल ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज स्टे विद मी। और तब टीचर्स का एक कॉमन डायलॉग रहता था, सारे वीरेंद्र स्वरूप के टीचर्स ये ज़रूर बोलते थे कि अभी आपको लग रहा है कि हम आपके संग ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हैं, ज़्यादा कुछ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आप आगे चल के रियलाइज़ करोगे कि आपके ही बेटरमेंट के लिए है ये। तो यस टीचर, आप बिल्कुल ठीक थे, हमें बाद में रियलाइज़ होता है और हमें अभी भी रियलाइज़। और ये एक लाइन्स हैं जो मैं अपने टीचर्स के लिए बोलना चाहूँगी कि आपकी इम्पॉर्टेंस कभी नहीं होगी कम, चाहे कितनी भी उन्नति कर ले हम। आपकी इम्पॉर्टेंस कभी नहीं होगी कम, चाहे कितनी भी उन्नति कर ले हम। इंटरनेट हमें दे सकता है दुनिया भर का ज्ञान, इंटरनेट हमें दे सकता है दुनिया भर का ज्ञान, पर सही गलत की तो आप ही कराओगे पहचान। थैंक यू टीचर्स एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Hello teachers, this is Shrishti Bishop of the batch 2017 and 18. Hope you all might remember me. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to all of you. I would like to thank all my teachers, my principal, Mr. Sanjay Arora, my Kiran Shukla ma'am, Kiran Mishra ma'am, Kaushalya ma'am, music sir, Manoj Mishra sir, and Verma sir, Vivek sir, and R. Srivastava sir. I would like to thank all my teachers. Because of you all teachers, today I'm here. I'm studying, pursuing graduation 3rd year of BLEd from Delhi University. Thank you all teachers. Thank you so much and wish you a very happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you.
I want to convey this message to all my teachers. Today, even if 1% we stand confident or are capable to do something, it's just because of the efforts you have put in us throughout these years. By nurturing us, by motivating, scolding, inspiring, guiding, believing and supporting us so strongly that your presence makes us feel strengthful and blessed. These are the lines I've heard somewhere and these are so true. जीवन जितना सचता है माँ बाप के प्यार से, उतना ही महकता है गुरु के आशीर्वाद से. A very happy Teachers Day to all the respectable and lovable teachers.
सभी टीचर्स को बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. जैसे कि एक माली होता है तो उसको पता होता है कि कैसे एक बीज को प्लांट करना है, उसे कितना पानी देना है, कितनी उसको धूप लगवानी है. उसी तरीके से हमारे जो टीचर्स होते हैं उनको भी पता होता है कि बच्चों को कब डांटना है, कब उनको प्रोत्साहित करना है और किस तरह उनको एक ऐसा व्यक्ति बनाना है जिससे कि वो खुद के लिए और समाज के लिए एक एसेट बन जाए. हमारे जो स्कूल के टीचर्स थे उन्होंने हमें इस तरह से गाइड किया है हमेशा से कि आज जो कुछ भी हम लोग हैं उसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ उनका है. सच में अब स्कूल बहुत याद आता है, आप टीचर्स बहुत याद आते हो. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Very happy Teachers Day to everyone.
Most difficult, challenging, and yet enlightening jobs.
Whatever we are, wherever we are,
And wherever we shall be in the future.
It will be because of you people.
Who nurtured us as seeds, made us into plants.
and showed us the trees we shall become.
A teacher, according to me, is one and all package of
Love and school day.
Clear and respect.
Punishment and betterment.
Had our seeds not looked after and cared for by you people,
we won't have grown to the plants we are.
That is for
Self-sufficient,
Confident
Enriched,
and ready for what future holds. You have taught us and scolded us when necessary.
with bitterness. Put all in all that is every scolding and that every slap just said
that I believe in you. I believe that you are better than you yourself perceive.
and that is something that we carry in our hearts.
It is something that lit us up as a people, and moreover, as a people, we shall become.
you laughed with us and
You saved us when everyone laughed at us, telling that no matter what, our victories are greater than our flaws.
On this special day, we bow down to you and pray for your long and healthy life.
May you all keep showering your
Blessings onto the children you taught.
The students you teach.
And the students to come.
And with this, once again,
We hope that the spirit of Teachers' Day never fades and keep illuminating in our hearts forever and ever.